What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another G-Shock review and unboxing. We have the DW6900 Anti-Social Social Club G-Shock watch collaboration. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said earlier, this is the Anti-Social Social Club DW6900 G-Shock watch collaboration. The model number on this puppy is a DW6900ASSC for Anti-Social Social Club. 25 is the year it was released, and 7 is the colorway for white. 3529 is the module, and 7 is white because this one is particularly a white watch, translucent white I should say. But let's check this out. The box itself is adorned here with cool cherry blossoms throughout the box and the butterfly effect. I like to see that. It's a cool watch, guys. This one is a little bit tough to pull off, mostly because it's a little bit, let's just call it what it is. It's a little bit feminine. But if you have the willpower and the self-esteem and, you know, who cares? You can wear it. It's truly a cool watch, and that's the reason why I'm displaying it on the channel, because it's not one that's spoken about very often, and it's truly a great looking piece. Got the manual here, warranty card, but it's a simple 3529 module. It's easy to operate, and I'll show you guys here momentarily. And one model that's commonly used for collaborations. Inside here you have Anti-Social Social Club, established in 2014, and this in fact was established in 2014 by founded by Nick Lurk in Los Angeles, in LA, and the brand has exploded. It's cool to have cool clothes and whatnot, and this is the second collaboration with G-Shock particularly, and they've done very, very well with these models. So the first one did really well. It's truly a collectible item. Here is the box, or the tin I should say. Anti-Social Social Club, cherry blossoms right there as well on the tin. Look at that. It's a great looking design. They did a really good job with this collaboration, from the box to the tin to the watch design. And it's one that, like I said, is being overlooked, but I wanted to bring it to your attention. It's going to be a collectible. It's in limited quantities. It's sold out as of now, if I'm mistaken. This was released back in February of 2025. I may be wrong. Don't quote me on that. And sold out pretty fast. You can still find it in gray markets. But look at this piece, guys. Take this in. This is truly a cool watch, and it's not, it's something that you can't really see from pictures. Like, you'll see it on pictures. You really have to see it in person or in video. I'll try to capture all the details to really see the essence, the beauty of this particular watch. It's got this cool translucent body, right? The bands and are translucent, but they also have this like a ghosty kind of frosted, you see that glow kind of baked into the watch. So it's like translucent with the paint that's also transparent with the kind of a ghostly a blue tint. Look at like a jellyfish. You guys, it's hard to see, but I'll try to capture here. Look at that. Zoom in a little bit closer. Can you guys see that? It's like a blue tint baked into the band, which gives it this cool jelly effect, right? So this is just a standard jelly, clear translucent, but on the top, you got that blue color effect. You see that? Very cool. I don't think I've seen that yet with other G-Shocks, and trust me, I've seen a lot of G-Shocks. So this brand, like I said, is 2014, founded by Mr. Nick Lurk, and I mean, you guys know G-Shock and Casio. The G-Shock's brand has been around since 1983, so this is a cool collaboration between the two, and pretty appropriate because, I mean, G-Shock is known for collaborating with cool artists, and I think this is a cool collaboration overall. And let's talk about the design. You got the cherry blossoms throughout the band, which you saw that in the box, you saw that in the tin, and now you see it on the actual watch itself. Right there, you can see that this displayed right there. You got the butterfly designs as well. I want to call it the butterfly effect, but look at that. Very beautiful, nice looking butterflies, very colorful throughout the watch band. Oops, and I dropped it. Here's another butterfly there. Is that a monarch? I don't know. I'm not a butterfly expert, but I'm gonna call it a monarch butterfly right there on the band. Cherry blossoms right there as well on both sides of the band. And then they incorporated also into the actual dial. Anti-social social club brand right on the dial right there in the 12 o'clock position. And you have the dark, this is cool. It's got the dark kind of dial with the cherry blossoms right on top there, adorned on the display. Right, you do have a very pastel looking pink on the light button right there. And again, the translucent, transparent bezel right there. You could see the inner workings of the actual module throughout the band. Pretty cool, right? The back plate also has the Anti-Social Social Club logo engraved onto there. And again, the module number 3529 DW6900X on the back plate. Very cool watch, guys. Let's check out the backlight because it's truly something to talk about. Let's check that out. There you go. Let me try to zoom in here. Get a nice little look at it. See if you can catch that. You guys can see that. Get Weird, which is something they use, the brand. Get Weird. And I can't say this is weird. I think I like this one. Again, it's not for the light of heart. Those manly macho mans might not be wearing the blossom tree, cherry tree on their wrist, but it's a cool watch, guys. It's truly a good looking watch, and I don't mind it at all. Let's see how that looks on the summer day wearing the right clothes. Look at this puppy. That thing is really nice. Excuse my hairy hand, and that's one of the things I don't. You can't really see through it though. Like you can't really see my hairy hand through the band. I don't know. Maybe you can, but a lot of translucent watches I try not to wear because my hands are a little too hairy. I don't know, but for those who shave, welcome. You can wear this without a problem. But yeah, this watch is easy to operate, guys. This is a very standard DW6900. No crazy stuff. No special functions and features and altimeters and barometers and temperature and all that. It's not that kind of watch. This is truly a fashion watch. It shows you and keeps time for you. The mode button here, you have the top left button. It helps you adjust the modes or set up your watch. The bottom left here is for the mode to switch between the modes, and I'll show you that shortly. Then you got the split reset on the top right and the start and stop button on the right. Bottom right there. So you set the mode by, let's start off with the home screen. The home screen shows you the day of the week, the time, and the date window on the top right corner there. And then you have the 3-eye monster. That's an old reference. There's an old 3-eye monster right here, which just kind of just shows you the seconds. Marks down 5, 10, and then every one shows for 10 seconds. Kind of counts right there, counts them up on the third window. But back to the modes, switch between the home time. Now you have the alarm function. Timer, which is cool because you got the timer and you still shows the time displayed on the window. Then you have stopwatch with the same right there, and then you have actually home time. That's it. Mode button, switch between the different modes all day. That's all you just stick right there. Don't push nothing else. Just right there. Leave it there. That's all you gotta do. That's how you operate the watch. Now, if you want to get fancy and set up the time, push and hold this here adjust button. Push and hold it, and there, right there, you're setting up the watch. Switch over to the mode and you can switch to different times to set, up and down, etc. Switch and then exit by pushing that and you're done. All right, now to the alarm, same thing. Timer, push and start button and you're off. There you go. Pause it, stop it, reset as it tells you there. Probably doing it wrong. Let's see, start. I always get that wrong. I don't know why I always mess that up. There we go. Timer, now stopwatch. Timer, stopwatch. Pause, reset. There you go. Start, stop, reset. Switch over to the mode. There you go. That's it, guys. That's the social, anti-social, social club, G-Shock collaboration, DW69. What do you guys think? Is this something that you guys will be comfortable wearing? Because I know my algorithm, I know my analysis, I know who watches my channel. I know it's mostly men. So, with that being said, my macho man who watch my channel, would you wear this one? I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you guys comfortable and able to wear this? I mean, you have to be, comfortable in your own skin to know that this one's one of those watches that will get a lot of attention. In terms of function, this watch it's got 200-meter water resistant, which is standard with all G-Shock watches. You can wear this, go hunting and go, hiking and all that stuff. It will withstand all the elements because it's still a G-Shock, right? It's just the skin of the design of the watch that looks the way it does, but otherwise it's still a rugged G-Shock G-Shock watch. It's got the legendary G-Shock resistance, electroluminescent backlight. It's got the timer, the stopwatch, the flash alert that alarms and the light goes off every hour if you want us to set it up that way. It's got about 5 years. They say it's shorter than that, but it's about a 5 to 10 year battery lifespan. I've seen these DW69s last an eternity. Seriously, I have G-Shock's DW69s that I bought and I haven't changed the batteries, and it's still truly working without changing the battery. All right, so there you guys have that. It's a pretty cool watch, guys, and it's a great sample of what G-Shock has to offer when they collaborate with these cool different brands. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you more videos in the near future. Till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.